Welcome back. So here we go, finishing off the 3.5 and 7.25 bodies. This is what we got to last time. These are 10 end planks. These are all the same. We're going to split them into 2 piles of 5. These are 7.25 end planks. These videos are a little bit out of order, but you'll see why in a bit. So let's go to one end and we'll start trial fitting them in. You're not going to see me glue all these, it's really tedious, but essentially you dob a bit of glue on and you slide them in as shown. Obviously they fit a bit better than they do here by loose fitting them. They're not all the same way around, they are a little bit random, makes it look a bit more natural I think. And we'll go and trial fit the other end. Again, the process is exactly the same. To glue them in, you stick a bit of glue on the end and push them into the back of the corner posts. Look, planks, strapping, and if it wasn't held shut by paper clips, working door. And here's the parts to do the other side. And there we go, all together. I might yet remake this door. I don't know if I'm entirely happy with it, the way the angles have turned out, but it works. It's on there. Needs some closure panels on the insides, both sides, so we can see. But other than that, I think that's about it. Some little fettling. Only the axles need dropping back out for paint. The whole thing will be painted, be sprayed in plastic primer. It's 7.25 time. Today's job is the corner brackets. Bracket supports, whatever you want to call them, and maybe the vertical end ones, and then to work out the lengths of the planks. It's time to get more planks sorted, which take a long time. Let's crack on. All 4 corners are on. It's time to work out the side plank length now. Make sure that's right up in that corner. Let me scroll along to the other end. I'll make that reading 30. Focus. Come on. Wait a minute, 308. So I'll actually go for 307. Divided in half like this. Keep the plank width about right. Oh, we can measure it, couldn't we? So we go 307 by, and that's looking at 11.3. So 307 or 113. Right, let's modify the existing ones on Tinkercad. Just going to stretch them. I'm going to use these drawings and just a little bit, and maybe just the width, and then we'll print one and try it, and then we'll print some more and see how we get on. Right, so this point in the video, everybody's getting mad that we haven't actually seen me build a side together, and there's a reason for that. On the 3.5, it's exactly the same process as on this 7.25, but the 7.25 is that much bigger, it's that much easier to show. Side 1 complete. All the parts for side 2 ready to go. And here we go.
And yes, my hands are already covered in glue. And it's super glue, that fact. Why Americans don't call it that? I don't understand. It's CA glue or crazy glue. No, it's super glue. It's weird.
It's done! I didn't bother showing all of the sides going, and you get the idea after you saw me do the first few each side. So that's it for the building. Don't forget the axle boxes and the wheels are done. They're all in the cupboard. Just waiting for painting, axles and bearings. And then we've got nowhere to run it yet, but we'll find somewhere to run it. The same goes for the 5-inch, and you've already seen the 3.5, which needs painting. Next part soon.